let's say, let's change the question. How much does just the hydrogen atoms weigh? Well, we can start with something we already have. We can start with the number of molecules. And now let's take a look at the conversion factor maybe that we can use to help us here. Now we know the number of molecules. Well, we know that every one molecule, let's see, where's that conversion factor? Right here. We know that every one H2O molecule has 2 hydrogen atoms, and we can say one mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms, so we can go from molecules of water into numbers of atoms of hydrogen atoms. We can follow that from atoms into moles, and then we can use the conversion factor, which is just the molar mass of hydrogen. And that says that 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to 1.0079 grams. And that'll give us our mass of hydrogen in grams. Okay, so 1.94 times 10 to the 25 molecules times 1 molecule of H2O has 2 hydrogen atoms. We can cross out our molecules of H2O times 1 mole of hydrogen has 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms, so we can get rid of our atoms unit here, and now we would be in moles of hydrogen. And lastly, we'll multiply this by the molar mass of hydrogen. And this will equal, and if we cross out our units of that there, we get that the answer is 64.9 grams. And if we wanted to see what that would be in kilograms so that we have a good comparison, remember 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram. Units of grams cancel, and that would be 0.0649 kilograms. So compare that to the 0.58 kilograms of water that we started with. Now there's another way that we could solve this second problem using our original amount of 0.58 kilograms. So let's do that. And what we first want to do is get into grams. 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. And then let's take a look at one of our other conversion factors. We can see here in these conversion factors that are just mass relationships that if we know how much water we have in grams, we can actually directly get the amount of hydrogen in grams. So let's use this one, this conversion factor right here in our equation. So we're going to add that in here and say that every 18.0 grams of water has 2 grams of hydrogen. And then let's go back to kilograms just to compare it with our previous answer. And we'll use a different conversion here. We'll say that 1 gram has in it 0.001 kilograms, or not in it, but equivalent to. Okay, so our units here of kilograms will cancel, our gram unit will cancel, this is grams of water, right? And then our grams of hydrogen will cancel, and we'll go back to kilograms. Let's see what our answer comes out to. And we get 0.064 kilograms. Same answer that we got before of hydrogen. Alright, so that's how you would string together these conversion factors to solve a problem. And we did an example with water using all the conversion factors that we could generate with water, but we can do this with any molecular formula. Alright, in the next video we will look at a different topic, density.